Hey guys, welcome to Simply Hike. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Montane Wolf Hoodie. Do not worry though, no wolves were harmed in the making of this hoodie. So this hoodie is, to be fair, a pretty cool bit of kit. It's nice and lightweight, but with the Polartec technology, it's going to trap that air around you and keep you nice and warm. Because it's so lightweight, to be fair, it's probably a good all-year rounder. You can even wear this in a 3-in-1 system. It's got an active fit to it. So what does that mean? Basically, if you like hiking, scrambling, climbing, this is the hoodie for you. You've got a nice fleece-lined core on there, so it's going to keep you nice and warm. And the material on the side as well, it's got ripstop material, but that does have some slight insulation to it. But because it's stretchy, as I say, because it's an active fit, it means it's going to move with you. So let's take a look at the overall features. Got a nice high collar on there. It's going to protect your neck from the wind chill. Open up the zip. You do have a semi-exposed zip, so there is a bit of a kind of a fleece or kind of material on the side there. It's going to help reduce wind chill, but it's all about that lining on the inside there. So that's going to stop any cold wind chill, going into your core body temperature. And then, as you can see on the inside, it's pretty much that really, that's nice and soft. That's a nice soft fleece in there. So yeah, that's all you've pretty much got in there. As I say, because it's designed for the active user, you kind of don't want pockets on the inside there. So yeah, it's pretty much just a standard hoodie on the inside. So you've got a nice chest pocket, or as I learned today, a Napoleon pocket. Protected as well, you've got the zip in there, and the space, pretty much you've got that entire stitching there. So you can get a decent sized map in there, or any other little bits and bobs. You've got the standard hip pockets as well, but what you will notice is they are slightly raised. Now, because this is for an adventurer, so if you're climbing or you've got a backpack on, that just means you can clip your harness there, but you still have full access to your pocket. And the pocket itself, as you can see, it's pretty much that whole stitching. So it does get narrower at the bottom of the pocket, but you've got decent volume in there. And once everything's in there, zip it up, hey presto. You've got this stretch design pretty much along the inside, the calf part of your arm, and then that actually links in with the thumb loop. So once your thumb's in there, that's going to stay nice and secure. It's not going to ride up, but also as well means the insulation is working with the Polartec technology, keeping you nice and warm. Spin it around the back. As you can see, they've got the fleece lining on the back there, and that just cuts in with the general shape of the hoodie itself. And the hood itself, it's nice and stretchy. You've got elastic all around the inside there. Now, there is no adjustment to that elastic, so it is very generic. So if it is a bit windy, it's a bit choppy, the hood itself might pop off. It depends on how big your head is, really. But other than that, it's got a nice fleece lining on the inside there, so it's not going to be rough against your skin. And to be honest with you, that's pretty much it. As I say, it's a really great active fleece from Montane. And as I say, it's got a pretty cool name, the Wolf Fleece. You guys, come on, cameraman. You gotta admit, that is a pretty cool name for a hoodie. If you've got a hoodie, yeah, exactly. Well done, man, well done. Thank you very much, Mark. He's now featured in this video. But yeah, as I say, if you're just looking for an active fleece, active hoodie, you've got the Polartec technology, it's gonna keep you warm, but it's also nice and lightweight. This is definitely one to look out for. Anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbering now. Thanks for watching, and happy trails. The stiffest of soles are designed for 3 things. Winter walking, so you can attach your crampons, scrambling and climbing. This all means you can really dig your boots into any crack and it will keep you stable. You can literally hang off the side of a mountain on your tiptoes. But these boots are not that comfortable, so make sure